Hi all, welcome to CulinaMind-AI. So this is a smart food pantry management system along with like a smart ingredient decision making, then smart AI planning, and share and save together by implementing couple of SDG goals that are there which we should be following to help our environment to grow. So now let's get started. Uh, CulinaMind-AI is the first ever AI based cookbook system like which you can use to like generate multiple recipes referring to original recipes that have been prepared by the chefs or the best master chefs across the world from the culinary books. So now first of all let us get started with the profile setup. So over here this is the demo profile. So Alex Chef is my name and this is the email ID which I have been used to like log in. Then I've set my height, weight and age over here. So my age is around 22 and my height is 180 centimeters while it's showing me so less. Then I'll set like a daily calorie target. So right now it's like 18,000 kilocalories and I'm a vegetarian. And after that, so what should I do? Should I lose weight? Yes. Or like should I improve my muscles? I mean, it makes sense both of them. So I'll maintain the weight or like let us do one thing. So I'll be like building up muscles. And so over here, like as we can see, I'm allergic to peas and then I'm also allergic to some nuts. So I will add these. Then there is this dark mode which we can always set it to like a good one so that it's more clearly visible. So over here right now we can see we have like 6 items over here, and you can see all the items which are like being highlighted are going to expire within like few days. So those are like I highlighted, and the ones which are not highlighted have a better shelf life or like would be staying for a longer duration. So you can see over here and like which are like left out. So I'd be adding an ingredient potato. So it is around like 1 kg of potato which I'm having right now, and the year is like 2024. Okay, 26 minus 03 minus 03. So this is like addition of my potato over here. So similarly what I can do is like I can add more vegetables from here or like more items whatever is available. And what I can do is I can ask this AI, I can ask it like what is expiring soon. Can you prepare something using pantry? So I'll go over here, click on the button, and as you can see it is thinking like what it can prepare from my pantry. So here you can see like as I have spinach, milk and chicken breast, so we can prepare like a creamy spinach tomato chicken, and it has provided me with the instructions how to prepare it, steps, etc, etc. So all these answers are taken from the AI, and this AI is integrated with a RAG, and that RAG is responsible for fetching all the good recipes from famous chefs books and best cookbook around there. And we have used around like 5 to 6 books through in the rack so that we get the best results. So now we have the second feature that was asked to us, like whenever we provide a URL of a YouTube or like some video, so this would be able to like extract that and help us like preparing. So here one of my URL is that is for butter naan, and I click on extract with Gemini. So what it does is it uses the Gemini API to extract all the audio and then pick up the keywords or the ingredients whatever is listed down over there, and it makes a track of the steps that has been taken by the chef. So even if they forget to mention something in the recipe that they are seeing, so it would be able to identify and get it over here because it has a vision capability as well as audio capability which it can analyze. So over here you can see, so it is the naan, and it is from Your Food Labs, and absolutely correct. Like how much time it would take? It would take around like 3 hours, and the serving would be around like 5 servings. And it also gives you the price, like how much would it cost to make this naan. So, and these are the grocery lists that we need to bring. And when I click on add all these two carts, so you would be able to see our cart is updated with the new recipe items, and approximately it's around like $50 for the entire item. So we can go over here, click on the shopping things, and we can proceed to checkout, which we can integrate later with RevenueCat and with Amazon or like some other grocery delivery apps like Blinkit in India or like Swiggy Instamart, and we can do the order. So moving ahead, we have the third best feature that like none of the apps till now would have ever provided. So over here we go and I ask like, so hey, I'm cooking butter naan. So alongside that, I want to cook butter chicken as well. So can you help me with the steps to prepare butter chicken? So what it will do is like it will try to curate what I have said, and we can select the style which we want to prepare it in. So if you select Indian, it would be more spicier, Italian less spicier, and more cheesier. And similar goes for the other parts. So I'll do a search. So it will again navigate through the cookbooks, and then it will provide us with the best recipe that is there. And we have to wait for a couple of seconds, and we would be getting it. So yeah, as you can see that we have got like a classic homemade butter chicken recipe. Then there's a Spanish infused butter chicken, saag makhani, uh, and all other things. So I would be clicking on the first one. So you can see like all these images are generated from AI, so that it looks better for the customers to see the dish and move ahead. So you can see the ingredients which are listed over here, then the instructions. So you can add the ingredients to the cart again and ask it to read the
Classic homemade
instruction,
butter chicken.
so that when you do this, your any person with any sort of disability of like visual impairment, they could help in like cooking and like understand like how this thing is cooked, and they don't have to read it through. And then again, you can also help take help from this, like when you are cooking and you don't want to touch your phone multiple times, then you go ahead and mark it as cooked, and it would be added to your history, and here it is like what you have cooked till now. So now whenever you go to this nutrition page, you would be able to see like how much calories we have consumed in the day, and you would be able to track like what was it, so how much protein we get, carbs, fat, and fiber. So which is another new thing which most of the apps do not provide. And you would be able to see your calorie trend through the month or through the week, and again like through the weekly one you would be able to see the same things, but how much have you consumed in the entire week, and same goes for the monthly one. So over here you can see like yeah, so these are some of the AI insights which would be recommending you like what you should do better, or like how you can improve on your current from your current scenario. And over here you have this feature. So like right now, as I said, like I want to be like more healthier, I want to gain much more weight. So what I can say is like I don't want a naan with processed flour, I want something healthier. So what it does is it tries to like understand like what is your need. Like sometimes what happens is like you want to be healthy, but you want to eat like some food that is uh, um like a junk food. So how can you make it healthier? So over here by asking it, you'd be getting like much more like a better way, like how you can prepare the same thing but with a healthy alternative. Like how I have got us like whole wheat with yogurt. So I can use this whole wheat flour instead of the processed flour. So it would be like healthier for me. Similarly, like it goes for the other parts as well. So moving ahead, uh, I will be closing this one and I'll be going to the cart. So as you have already seen the cart feature, like how to make the tawa naan, and these were the ingredients that were added. Then again, like butter chicken, the ingredients are added separately. So you can, like, whenever you do the shopping, you can click on each one of them and do the crossing part. Then what you can do is like okay, in profile section what you'd be having is like this um, mode, like to upgrade to pro. So we would be associating our nutrition apart to the pro subscription, so that people who are like really interested in maintaining their health, they can use this. And when we click on upgrade to pro, as you can see, so these are the plans that we are having. So I will be clicking on like a lifetime purchase, and I'll be clicking on continue. So as you can see, I have made a test purchase and I have to integrate with Apple or Google APIs to get it. But this purchase was successful. I can show you over my laptop screen as well. So I'll be testing a valid purchase. So let's go. So let me just share my camera as well. So I hope my camera is visible. I'll be, where is my Chrome browser? Yeah, this is my Chrome browser. I go over here somewhere. Where is the revenue cat, by the way? I think you should work on your logo sometimes, because it's really hard for me to find out. Okay, never mind. Revenue cat. Click on it. Login. Yep. So these are the like test data. So yeah, so as you can see, so I made the recent expire and recent transaction of this one, like one time transaction. So for testing, like if it works, so it would be associating my customer ID, the test store, and then the product, and then like when was it expiring. So this is the sandbox environment which I've been using. And then let us again test ahead with the failure scenario. So we go over here and we manage subscription, and we go with a monthly plan, continue, and I test a failed subscription, something went wrong, and revenue cat would be generating an error. So now let us see, like, did it come? Yeah, as you can see, like the transaction was failed and it never came here, and the even like there was no issue. So like while building this app, I faced like multiple issues. So first of all was like the payment gateway or the paywall part, like which wasn't even integrating properly with the expo code that I wrote. But anyways, I created my custom uh, a paywall for that, so never mind. But then again, like there were like while thinking about these ideas, like I even thought of like integrating a community feature, which I'd be definitely doing in the future, like where people from different communities can help each other, or like some like the SDG goals, like where a zero food wastage should be there, or like even like some food is about to expire and we are not consuming it, we can donate it to the nearby places. So that is what I would be like implementing. So that feature would be there soon. And what I can do better is like work on this app and make it like much more better, like the UI UX, and then some add some other features. So definitely like I would be able to like achieve that. So that's all from my side. So thank you and have a nice day.